Start. Chill.
This computer though is gonna make me.
Right. We are gonna murder this thing in a minute.
I know, right? This is gonna.
Oh, it's on.
Hello!
What happened in my head was like, yay.
We haven't done a video in like ages, even though our videos suck. Hello. And guess what? Guess what I just did? And guess what day is it today? Today.
Guess what today is?
It's hump day.
Woohoo! Hump day!
I like turtles.
We like turtles.
1 minute, I gotta go to the toilet, so.
I'll be back.
Give it.
Mine is on.
Yeah, he's just going to the toilet. So, we'll just wait for him to get back. Hey. Dude! Oh, God! SpongeBob loves you! It'll ruin my hair. You completely wrecked my hair now. Look at that. What was that?
That's good. Look at my horse. My horse is amazing. Give it a lick. Hello, it's me, Mario.
Hello. Hey.
When Cole finds out Abby is a boy!
But he isn't.
I know.
Yeah.
Who do you got with? Do you have a girlfriend, Cole?
Yes, I have a girl.
Oh, good for you.
Do you love her?
Yes.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah, Cole. Yes.
Thank
God, nobody wants to play with me.
Okay.
Uh-oh, retard alert. Retard alert, class.
Do I look like a retard? Do I look like a retard? Yeah, I'm a retard. I'm a retard. Wait a minute.
Shut up!
Thank you.
Universes in a hot damn station nearly 14 million years ago. Expansion started waiting. Meditating for the animals. You go to work with the pyramid. Math science is really a melody of mystery. It all started with a big bang.
And you call me a retard. Oh no. That's good. This is gonna be gay.
We have 1 subscriber.
Yeah.
I just have to do this.
We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay!
Yay, we got 1 subscriber. Carl?
Who's your daddy?
Oh, I just got a message on Facebook and it's from Abby. 1 second.
Shut up.
Who's your daddy?
Me. 1
Who's your
second.
daddy?
Sorry about this. Even though
Who's
he
your
can
daddy?
force me this.
Who's your daddy?
Mm. Mm.
Hey, motherfucker. Hey, motherfucker. Hey, motherfucker.
You get nothing. You lose. Good day, sir. What the fuck?
What was that?
Release the Kraken.
Think the bad you also enjoy it. Classical memories.
It's time for us to end this YouTube video so dramatically.
Goodbye.
Bye.